Hey, I hope you're having an incredible day. So, today I'm going to be talking about Fabric, and the reason I'm back on this topic is because Fabric recently changed from Python over to Go to be able to upgrade your versions a lot easier. And if you don't know what Fabric is an open source framework for augmenting humans using AI. So, I use it primarily just to summarize YouTube videos, transcribe it, and then summarize it into key topics. But there are a lot of other really great tools that exist, and all of this is managed using patterns, and they have a whole ton of patterns. You can just go through the different directories here. Like they have one creating Hormozy offers. So you're an expert AI system designed to create businesses offers using the concepts taught in the book. $100 million offers, and it looks like they just have the majority of the book in here, and then in the end it's going to give you 10 bullets of what Alex Hormozy would like to say and write the offer for you. I mean, that's just one out of literally probably 100 different patterns or prompts, and the one that I use is mainly extract wisdom. And so this pattern extracts wisdom from any content that can be translated into text, so podcast transcripts, academic papers, essays, really anything you can get into text. And it'll extract the ideas, the quotes, the references, habits, and recommendations. Now, they recently updated from Python to Go, which is why I'm creating this video, because when I went to run Fabric today, it wasn't working, and I feel like other people will have this issue, and so I wanted to show you how you could solve it. So to do this, hop into your command prompt, cmd. All right, now, because I'm migrating, and I'm hoping it's the same case for you, you're gonna have to uninstall Fabric. So just type in pip-x uninstall Fabric. This will uninstall the legacy version. Once you do that, the next thing that you have to do, the thing that was giving me errors, is you have to navigate to your system settings and clear out your OpenAI API key, because that's what was causing a ton of errors for me. It took me a while to figure out. So you hop into settings, and then from there you go advanced system settings, and then you hit environment variables, and then you'll see you have your OpenAI API key, and it might even be in here as well. So you want to check that, and you want to come into here and edit this, because this was still saved from my last install of Fabric. And so whenever I would try and run new commands in here, it wasn't working properly. So you want to go and set that to your new environment variable. And then once you have that, you're going to enter go install latest Fabric. So you're going to enter in this right here, go install GitHub Daniel Messier Fabric at latest, hit enter. It's going to install, it's finished installing, and then you want to run the setup. So you'll run that. Now it's going to ask you for all your API keys. So this is where you'll enter all your API keys. All right, and once you've done that and you've entered in all of your values, it'll start downloading the patterns and populating them into your folders. And then they also use a helper app, and that helper app is YouTube. So you can just write YT. So in order to install that, you have to run this command as well. So just copy that. We'll come back into here. We'll paste that in. All right, now that is installed properly. And now if we test out the pattern, it should work. There we go. So now you can see it just output. Let's make this full screen. So it's a discussion between two individuals on creativity, philosophy, reading habits, modern society. It provides you with ideas, insights, quotes, habits, facts, references, and recommendations. And that's pretty much it. So now you have this tool that can literally watch any YouTube video for you and give you all the insights that you need. And this is the updated method of how you could do this. And that's pretty much it. Hope you got immense value on this, and I'll catch you on the next one.